You can easily add different backgrounds to achieve a photorealistic image of the scene. This allows you to create impressive variations within minutes without using an additional software. Transparent surfaces, such as glass surfaces or curtains, are rendered with an alpha channel. Thanks to this, various backgrounds can be placed behind the image positioned on the floor plan. The position and size of the backgrounds can be precisely adjusted. Let's see the method. First, render the image by setting the appropriate parameters. In the background section, you can choose various types of backgrounds like color, image, or panorama. In this case, you need to select the editable background. In the rendered image, you can see that the program leaves the areas behind transparent surfaces blank. This means that transparent surfaces are assigned an alpha channel. Once the rendered image is complete, it's a good idea to save it. Switch between the windows. In the Project Navigator, locate the rendered image and place it on the floor plan. Let's take a look. The image has been created with a blank background. In the next step, I select a background. First, I place this background onto the drawing. Now I drag the background onto the rendered image. Here I can move and scale it. I want to have a view of the city, so I reposition it. This setup is suitable. Next, I select the original rendered image and choose the Merge Images option from the editing menu. This creates a new rendered image which I can place. Let's check the result. It is worth saving using the Save As command. Using the same background image, I will now create another setup by slightly moving the image upward. This way I get a view of the garden and the grass area. Again, I select the rendered image. It is helpful to use the list here. I choose the Merge Images option once more. I place this image as well. We have completed the next image. Save this one too. I load another background image. Let's make it a street view. I position the image onto the rendered image, slightly resize, and adjust its position. Once again, I select the rendered image and choose the Merge Images option. Then I place and save it. Let's review the result. Scroll through the completed images. Here you can see the original rendered image with the blank background, followed by the various versions we created. Additionally, I created another variation featuring a garden. Thank you for your attention.